Mike Kuzmich from KC Custom Signs decided to trade his 6-year-old Chariot bucket truck for a brand new one. When Mike's truck was ready and we had moved all of his tools and inventory from his other truck, Mike flew in to tour our factory before heading back to Kansas City with his new vehicle. But before he left, I had a chance to sit down with Mike, learn a little bit more about KC Custom Signs, and get some feedback on his first 6 years with Van Ladder.
We're a team. I don't have employees, I have teammates. And the more I state that, the more it happens. You know, we make custom signs, yes, but what we're making is people's brand for their business. So we take pride in our work, what we make. So, you know, that's why we put custom kind of in the name, because you have to have a custom touch to everything to really take pride in it. We just want to treat people as we like to be treated. It's really simple. The simple, old school concept. Oh, favorite project? KCI Airport, where it says Kansas City, 7 stories tall. We made those letters that say Kansas City at the airport.
Oh, really?
So those were all hand formed in the oven by our VP, John Taylor. He is extremely talented. Choosing the Van Ladder. I was very skeptical. I'm not gonna lie. It's a van with a ladder attached to the top of it. How are you not skeptical in the sign industry? And then you have friends egging you on like, oh, you know, get all electric, not the hydraulic. And it's like, yeah. And then I was like, started using it and trying it out. And I was like, okay, this thing is like really versatile. And it's all electric. So I'm not gonna have high maintenance. About 6 years later, that thing's been down once in 6 years for Van Ladder related issues. Once for mechanical, which was just like a vacuum, something simple. And that's it. Besides that, it's out a workhorse every day, 12 hours a day, no problems. Reaches 90% of what we do. And it does not just work, it will outwork you. It's phenomenal. There's, you know, moments that you need to be up higher, but like those moments are pretty rare. Like maybe twice a year I rent a lift, and that cost is not very steep to rent a lift. I won't ever want to buy a hydraulic truck for doing anything under 50 foot, because that thing does everything you need. Holds everything you need. It's quiet, doesn't leak oil everywhere, doesn't leak hydraulic fluid everywhere. You don't have a customer complaining about other customers coming into their retail space and smelling diesel fumes, because that does happen with the big Elliotts. Don't get me wrong, Elliot's a great brand, but they're very, very commercial driven for big industrial use, which is great, and it has its own place. But for retail, Van Ladder is the all and be all. Installing channel letters, you know, facelit, reverselit, raceway, storefront retail, by far is the niche for Van Ladder. Fits in a parking spot. Yeah. That's probably the number one thing that we get compliments on is, man, we almost didn't even realize you guys were here.
Yeah.
We didn't hear big diesel, didn't hear outriggers coming down.
Yeah.
It was a really cool operation you guys have set up here. And it's like, well, it's not just us, it's Van Ladder. Van Ladder did all this. We just purchased it. Van Ladder's Chariot's got everything right there for you. Your tools are there, your harness hook-in's there, all of your operations are right in front of you. If you need help holding something, the accessories are going to do it for you. Being organized, being efficient is very helpful, and with that box on there, we were able to make it extremely efficient. To have hardware on one side, tools on one side, electrical on one side, paint on the other side, and the amount of stuff you can fit inside that will blow anyone's mind. I am not joking. We have fit more channel letters inside that van than 3 or 4 pickup trucks at a time. Anyone who has a sign company, this is the way to go. It's that simple. As now I've got a 2026 that I'm leaving here with today, so I'm pretty excited. The Van Ladder's helped us grow a lot.
Van Ladder, simplifying sign work.